Hi, my name is Vanessa Luetta, and this is my introductory blog. I'm a multiple subject credential student there at Laverne in the graduate program, and I look forward to working with all of you this semester. And this is my introductory blog to let you know a little bit about myself. First off, I have two wonderful boys, ages 8 and 13, Jacob and Gabriel. I am married to a wonderful man named Robert Luetta, who's a veteran of the Marine Corps, and we are a very active family. I like to read, I like to go to Vegas and relax, and just be outside and enjoy my family. So, first off, I have some pictures of Cooperstown, New York, or the way the native New Yorkers say it, Oineta, New York, which is where Cooperstown All-Star Village is. And basically, it's a baseball resort where young men and women can go and play baseball basically for a week. It's kind of a different version of the Little League World Series. And so here on the right, you have a picture of me and my family. We're in front of the Baseball Hall of Fame. And that was truly an amazing museum. It had so much information and history. And even if you're not a baseball fan, it was just a very interesting place to go, and I would highly recommend it. On the left is a picture of my boys. Obviously, Jacob, the younger one, is on Gabriel's back. This is in downtown Cooperstown. And the picture on the left is what I imagine New York to be. I have never been to New York, and so I took a picture of this kind of old building back alleys, and that's what I assumed what New York would look like. But in the middle, as you can see, is where we were at, what it actually looked like. Rolling hills, green grass. It was beautiful. It was definitely a sensory overload, seeing all the trees and green compared to California, and we really had a really great time. Baseball is a big part of our lives. We are a baseball family, whether we like to acknowledge it or not. Both my boys play baseball, and my husband plays baseball. He played baseball. We're Dodger fans, and it's just something that we've been able to connect to as a family. Here is a picture of Dodger Stadium. On the left, we're waiting for our game to start. In the middle is after the game. It's one of my favorite pictures. As you can see, my younger son is having a grand time, and just the LA background, downtown. It was just a nice picture, nice night. On the right is my boys and my niece. We were at the Laverne Alumni Night at Angel Stadium, which was really fun. It was just another way to experience another baseball stadium, and there was definitely a lot of Leos representing there. So, like I said, baseball is something we really enjoy. I also enjoy taking my family to museums. I think museums are just a great way to experience history and knowledge, and I think they're definitely underrated. So in the middle is us, well, my family at the General Patton Museum, which is a little bit outside Palm Springs. And it's a tank museum, so it's got a lot of old tanks, which was really fun to see, considering that my husband was in the military. The Fenimore Museum, which is on the right, was originally belonged to one of the Coopers from Cooperstown. And this region is basically based on The Last of the Mohicans, that book. And so there was a lot of Native American exhibits in there, a lot of a Native American culture there. So that was actually kind of surprising, and it was fun to experience that. On the left is a picture of Lake Cuyamaca. My boys love to fish. A lot of my family likes to fish. Me, not so much. I can go out there. I think I enjoy nature more, which I do, hiking and just being outside, outdoors. And so this is in actually Julian, California, which is on the way to San Diego. And beautiful spot, secluded, and we really had a good time. So that was nice. We also enjoy going to the beach. In the middle, as you can see, I have Pismo Beach right there. We do venture to the Central Coast quite often. We have some family there, and around San Luis Obispo, Morro Bay, we really like going up there and just relaxing, eating, which is a lot of fun up there, a lot of restaurants, and just hanging out. On the left is a picture of my Gramita, which is my great grandma, and here we're celebrating her 101st birthday. And I think that's just an amazing thing, and this is why I included it. Not only do I have a great grandma, but my boys have a great great grandma, which is something you really don't hear very often. That's something I'm very proud of. On the right is a picture of us at Northwoods Inn, which is one of our favorite restaurants. It's in Covina, California, And if you're ever in the area, I definitely recommend it. We are crazy about their cheese bread and salad. So we do like to go out to eat, and that is definitely one of our favorite restaurants. I am also a big Star Wars buff, nerd, whatever you want to call it. We love Star Wars, especially the originals. We collect pops of Star Wars. As you can see, the picture below is just a fraction of what we really have, and my boys dress up as stormtroopers. We On the right is a picture of me in a Rick Grimes cutout. For those of you who know Walking Dead, I'm a big Walking Dead fan. We were actually at a comic convention here at the Ontario Convention Center, and they had this cutout, and I couldn't resist taking a picture. So that's pretty much me. If you really want to get to know me in a nutshell, my family, as you can see, is very important to me, and education is obviously, and I really try to instill that in my kids. So I enjoyed presenting something for you to get to know me, and I hope that you all have a great semester. And I look forward to working with all of you.